lasso, oh lasso. 야, 나도 좀 정달 치기인, practice 치기인, 좋아? oh lasso. 근데 야, 방방라인다, 방방라. 방방라, 딜로로나.
Di
디, 아래, 레, 빼고.
re.
디 카레레, 방방라, 디 카레레,
Oh, di look le.
빼고. 디 루브레, 투지체, 방방라. Thank you. 야, 골라서. 근데 야, 수시 루나라인다, 딜로로나. 야.
Di carere.
빼고 디 카레레 빼고 야 루나
Di
라인다 디
carere.
카레레 디 카레레
Di di pel re.
디 펠레 펠 파라 펠 soft
Pel
하고 펠
re.
not bell
Di
펠
di pel le.
that's it 빼고 도지체 수시 루나라 얘네 야 프랑코스 라인다 프랑코스 라 딜로로낭
Um, okay. You hear me?
yes yes yes
Okay, okay. Oh yeah, di carere.
빼고 디 카레레 야 수시 루나라인다 디 카레레
Um, ca uh,
Susi
di.
Mare, sorry. Franco Isla.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Wait a minute. I had written it somewhere, but I can't find it in my notes.
You can read it here. Here.
Oh, okay. Okay. Di diden re.
That's it. Di den re. That's it. Peo. Den agosunga carpet. Den
Yeah.
carpet roa. Peo. Hola so. Dene Adam la tashi delek. Adam la dilorona.
테 가레레
Te karere. Te karere Adam la. Te.
테 다레
Peo. Te da res. Ma ta a da res. Peo.
테
투지체.
다레
에람라 투지체. 라수 데네 이모겐 라인다. 딜로로나. 야. 이모겐 라 뮤트 레둑. 라수.
Decore.
마르마레 디. Can you read this first?
Oh, sorry, wrong one. Di carere.
빼요. 디 카레레. 디.
Decore.
디 코레베 고레베.
Go. Decore.
빼요. Go. Because of the ma prefix, it became g. That's why go. Roa? Okay? 이모겐 라. 빼야고 송송. 투지체.
Did
라수. 야고 송송. 야고 송송. Then we have little bit different here. Roa? Pedrola. Tashi delek Pedrola.
Hello.
Tashi delek Pedrola. Diloro
Te karere.
빼야고 te. Instead of di, we have now te karere. Something far away. Roa? 아니 디송로나 베드로라 대 가레레
The te lamre.
빼야고 대람레 빼야고 도지체 베드로라 데네야 이용라인다 이용라 딜로로나 이용라 다시 달라이크
You hear me?
Yes, yes.
테,
Yes, yes.
테 카레레.
대 가래래 빼요. 아니 용라 대 가래래.
어, 테, 테푸레.
대 부래 빼요. 부. 그봐? 빼요. 송송. 투지체 라소 데네 다왈라인다. 다왈라 딜로로나 칼레 칼레로로나
이 가레 레.
빼요. 디 가래래. 디 가래래 다왈라
디 로마 레.
빼요. 투지체 빼요. 송송.
여기지.
Now we understand the karere, the karere. We already learned one question word, kare. Right? The
Excuse me.
karere, the karere. Like this. Yes, please.
I couldn't find this page picture with this exercise in the book that you gave us. How can we get to this part of the exercises? Because the first one, the first link that you gave us, when I click, finishes before prefix and suffix. I couldn't get to this part. Can you tell us, please?
Oh, this should be online and free. Let me show you here, Ruba.
Thank you.
Let's say, yeah. Arapatsa.organization. We come to here, then we click on the pre-A1, okay? Then we just say view course, no register, okay? Then we click on the first link, that's it. Then we come down here, then you should just go next, 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 and you will find it. You see the here button? Yeah, like this.
Yeah, when I put next, 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 it finishes and then let's see.
Like this. It should
Yeah, and
work.
at the end we're
It
up
should
to
work.
and yeah, and then it finishes. You see, it finishes.
No, it's not finished. If you look at it, you'll see the transparent. It will highlight the
Yeah.
only alphabet we learned. That's it here. See? It's not finished yet.
Oh.
Yes. You can still go
Oh.
next. You can still go next. Then go next here. Then like this. See? Like this. Keep on
Ah.
going like this.
Sorry. Thank you.
No
Thank you.
problem. We all
Thanks.
can use this. It's free online. So, yeah, Buduk. Now we understood the karere, the karere. Okay? Now we will learn something else here to us. Okay? Instead of saying the karere, we can also say the look repe. Oh, my recording going on. Oh, Tashi Dalek. Tashi Dalek. Here, light gone all of a sudden. Sorry, Rasul. We will continue. Rasul. Oh, these days, very rainy season, and light is not good here in my area. Rasul. Yeah. Continue. Rasul. Instead of di karere, we can also ask di look repe. Agosunga? Di look repe. Right. Yeah, Sonam Dolkarla inda. Can you ask me this question?
Di lucrepe.
That's it. Very good. Ray. Di look ray. Like this.
Di lucre. The last part, that pasa, we don't read that?
No, that's a question. It makes a question. Agosunga? That's it.
It's like a question mark, not a reading part.
This one. Yes, so when
Yes.
they pay, repay, is it like this? Okay. So there is you when you ask, what is this? Or is it pen? Like this. How goes on? Tade, di karere, Rwa. What is this, Rwa? Di look repay. Is it look? How goes on? Sunam Dogala. And then di pay di. No, it's like a question. Is it like this? How goes on? Tade len Ray. Di look Ray. Rwa. Or if you simply say di karere, then I would say di look Ray. Like Rwa. Yeah, sonam dogala yinda yanker. Sonam dogala di look repe.
Di lucrepe.
That's question. Di look repe. Can you answer?
Di lucre.
That's it. Or you can say Ray. Di look Ray. Like this. How goes one? Full answer. Olas. Tuji che sonam dogala.
Thank you.
Yeah, tene Mariana la inda. Mariana la. Mariana la te
Nasıl?
karele.
Te lamre.
Te lam repe.
Re. Te lamre.
That's it. Mariana la tuji che. Re. Te lam re. Yes. Fail. Rua? Okay? Well, nowadays you can just do shortcut. Before we learn shortcut, we have to know long cut. There is no shortcut without knowing long cut, in my view. How goes, ma? So right now we are learning the full cut, complete answer. Di lam repe or the lam repe. Re, the lam re. When you know how to say this properly, then if somebody asks, the lam repe, you can just say re. That's it. How goes ma? Like this. Okay? How goes ma? The lam repe. Re, the lam res. Yapuduk. Tuduchi. Tene ya ruyun la inda. Ruyun la. Ruyun la di karire.
the gore.
Di go repe.
Re. The gore.
빼야고. Re, di go re. 도지체 루용라. 빼야고 송송.
도지치.
Ruba, that didn't do. Now, let's learn negative. Ruba. Re ki negative mare here. How goes on? Mare. Okay? Di go mare. Di look re. Like this. How goes on? Okay? Mare. Like this. Ruba. Hola, so. Teneya iPhone la. Inda. Tashi dalek. iPhone la. iPhone la yosamade. Ya, tene susi luna la inda. Susi luna la. Susi luna la. Di
Yeah.
bu repe. Di bu repe.
Oh, mare.
That's,
Mare. Di look re.
that's it. Okay?
Re. Di look re. Do
Well,
you make like a question sound like in English, like that when you say pe?
yes. Yes. So,
How
little bit, di look repe. Like this. Not too
repe?
much
Oh,
enthusiastic, but a little bit like
uh-huh.
this. Agosuma. Right now, if you can read
Thank
it,
you.
that's good enough. Agosuma. Lasso, pe agosumso. Mare, roba. La perna di, tiwa di, di, go, repe, roba. Tene susi luna lagi, mare. Let me write the full answer here, roba. Di go, mare. Di look, re. Like this. Roba. Di go repe. Mare, di go mare, di look re. Like, how goes nga? Full answer. Or you can just say mare, look re, or di look re. Shortcut, like this. How goes nga? But let's first learn this one, okay? How goes nga? Yeah, practice in the. Tene sonam drogala in the. Sonam drogala. Te loma repe.
De Roma mare. De Roma mare. De lamre.
That's it. Te loma mare, te lamres. Peago. Sonam drogala, yago song song. Tujiche. Tene ya Mariana la inda. Mariana la di so repe.
Di mare. Di somare. Di gore.
That's it. Peago song song. Mariana la. Very good. Lasso. Then I will send this note in the WhatsApp chat and you can copy it. Ruwa? Now we know one question word, kare. Ruwa? Then negative of re mare, like this. Ruwa? Di kare re, di look re. So I call this re as a identifying. Okay? Identification. If you really want some description on this, take it as an identification. How goes on? You identify with your name, with your job, with your anything. Ruba? Okay, with your color, with your size, with your gender, anything. So I will call it identifying. Di look re, te lam re, di loma re, like this. Okay. So then we learned this question also. Yeah. Ruyunla in the Ruyunla dilorunang.
công su công su rể.
That's it. Kong sure. That's it. Okay. So we will today little bit practice this one. Okay. So Kong we can call this for any third person. No gender specific. You can call it to Rinpoche, you can call it to anyone, your friend, he, she, anything. Okay? So, then the Kongsuri.
It's like a person. Sorry, it's like when we ask who is it. There is there is no gender either. Is that what it means? Consure.
That's it. Who is he or
Who is it?
she? Or who is it?
Yeah.
Then we know here who, Sashapkyusu. Now we can say Kongsure. Oh, Kong Tenzin re. Kongsure. Oh, Kong Sonam Dolkar re. Kongsure. Kong Dawa re. Kongsure. Kong Michael Jordan re. Kongsure. Kong Kendrick Lamar re. Kongsure. Kong Donald Trump re. Anything. How goes ma? So, then I can say Rava Dawala Dilorona.
콩, 배 말에 배.
Peapo. Kong Pema Repe. Kong Dolma Repe. Kong Maria Repe. Anything. How goes ma? Same like Di Go Repe. Like this. Kong Pema Repe. How goes ma? Hola, so that's it. Now we learned Kare, Su. Now today, this time we are learning Kaki, Kaki. Which one? Or which is? Hakosuma? Holas. Tene de di parre, par. Look par, pachuki par, look par, raki par, raki par, wa? Par, picture. Okay? Yeah, tene fang la diloro na.
Last intensive.
La.
Pan kaki lukle.
Peago. Par kaki lukre. Par kaki lukre. Raba? Yeah, tene chimila in the Tashi Dalek chimila. Chimila try chigi imbe. Imbadla inda ya. Imbadla. Ale chimila lepsong. Chimila tashi delek.
Tashi delela.
Tashi
Tashi
delek.
dele.
Chimila par khaki lukre.
Tashi delela. Paul Gagi looks good. Hello?
Oh, tashi dele sumtang. Par khaki
Tashi dele.
lukre.
Di bare.
Par di lukre.
Di lukre.
Like this. When you say di lukre, you have to point at it. Agosma, try to pointing at it. Oh, make habit. Oh, par di lukre. Agosma. Oh yeah, look less. Light came back. Par di lukre. Like this. Agosma. That's it. Chimila tujiche. So, yeah. Tene imbadla inda. Par khaki amare. Imbadla kogi minduk. We cannot hear you. Hello? Imbadla, we cannot hear you. I think it's a microphone problem.
Hello.
Also, yeah, tene dinda. Mariana la inda. Mariana la. Mariana la. Par khaki amare.
Lasso par tu amare.
Peo. Par di amare. Peo.
Yeah, par di amare.
Tigidu. Peo. Okay. Yeah. Tene dawala inda. Dawala. Dilorona.
Par какие rare.
Peo. Par khaki rare. It's like a very colloquial. Khaki. Which? Daburuba. Like this. Okay. Par khaki rare. Like how goes,
Par danpo dan sumpa rare.
Peo. Par di rare. Ruba. Now if we use thang as an and, par di thang di rare. Okay? Di thang di rare. That's it. Let me show you how to write it here. Okay? When there is two, then you write par di thang di rare. How goes di thang di. Okay? Di thang di rare.
I didn't understand, sorry. Again? What is that?
And when there is two option, then you use this and this like this. Remember? Di thang di. Di thang di rare. Like this. Okay? Hmm? For example, I have here di thang di earbud re. Like this. Then I have here di thang di mic re. Like this. Di thang di mic re. Like this. Hmm? Okay? Oh, last. Tene de dua de. Par khaki khaki ra re. Par di thang di ra re. Right? Par di ra ma re. Par di luk re. Hmm? Di da burwa. Olas. Te apuduk. Tene ya Pedro la inda. Pedro la di loro na.
Par kaki pumore.
Par khaki pumore. Par khaki pumore.
Par di pumore.
Now we have two of them, bro. We can say par di thang di pumore
Okay.
also, bro.
Cool.
That's also okay, bro. You can say pumo to small girl or female also, okay? Like this.
Okay.
Peago. Pedrola can mark here. I think anyone can mark here. Use the mouse, bro. Peago chesong. Yes. 도대체 그봐 ता पर खाकी खाकी look रे और पर खाकी खाकी 하고 순간 which 하고 순간 되네 रे in my point of view I will put this ray in the category of identification okay you identify 그봐 so that's it. Okay, now we know di karere, te karere, par khaki look re, kong su re, kong pe ma re pe. Like this. Right? Tene opposite ki re karere, mare. Right? Mare. Molas. Yeah, tene talk some practice in the. 이용 라인다, 이용 라. 이용 라 di logro nang, ke chenpo logro nang.
là lì là là lộ mà lồm
Mare mare. You can see here, dot here, so you have to read it separately. Right?
lô mà
빼하고 로마. 아니 디
ờ,
라, 파,
lá phả lấp
빼하고 that's it. 디 라,
lá mà lâm
that's it. 디
lá khả lắc pa lắc pa
빼하고 디
lá cháp chu lú khả lúc
빼하고 라, 샵큐루, 카, 룩 빼하고 디
r rã
uh
rá khi khu rí
빼하고 디
rá khi khu rí
디
rá khi
키쿠 마레 건다 디 댕보를 봐 댕보
Ra tempo re.
응.
Ra tempo re. Re.
빼하고 레레.
Ra pha rap.
빼하고
Ra khá rắc.
빼하고
Ra khi khu rí mà rím.
빼하고. That's it. 림. 오야. 빼하고 로송 투지치. 용라.
Thuốc chế trị.
투지치.
Lá số.
라수. Okay. Now we have here question. Okay. Imbadla. You wanna try? Is it working? Mute Reduk. Imbadla. You are still mute. Imbadla kogi mindu gomba matsung. Yeah, ni Katarina lain. Tashi delek Katarina la di lorona.
Di buku.
Di changma lorona.
I'm sorry, I don't see where you're pointing. Are you pointing to the text?
Yes, all of this.
Oh, so I read the whole thing. Okay.
Very.
Buku di bure, pumore.
Puku di pure pumore.
That's
빼하고 숭숭 카타리나라 두지치. Now we see here a question of choice. The earbud re mobile re like this. The chure wine re like this. How goes for Jesus is same. I'm just kidding. How goes the chure wine re. Pukudi pure pumure. We're talking about this kid. How goes Yeah. Tene Adamla in the Adamla. Pukudi pure pumure.
No, I don't understand. Pukudi.
Pukudi Superman re, Spider-Man re.
No, Pukudi. Yeah.
Pukudi.
Pukudi, right.
Pukudi pure pumure. Male re, female re. Pukudi. Pukudi Spider-Man re, Superman re.
Sorry.
Shouldn't be at the end pay for question because now it is not a question.
That's true. The full should be pugudi purepe pumurepe. We know this, Ruba. We know this how to ask in the single question. Di purepe or kong purepe. Ruba. Kong pema repe. Di look repe. We learn this. But when you have a choice like this, you can say it like this also. Okay?
So we can skip pay at the end and it's still a question.
Yes. When it comes to this situation. How goes
Lasso.
Pugudi pure pumure. Like this. How goes you can, some people can say, oh, pugudi pure. Like this. Some can say, oh, pugudi pumure. Like this. Right? Yeah, what do you think, Adam? Pugudi pure pumure.
Pukudi pumore?
Like this. If I don't agree, I will say mare. Puku di
Mare.
pumu mare. Puku di pure. Like how goes
Okay.
Or you can say puku di transgender re or anything. Ruwa. You can identify with anything. Ruwa. Like this, okay? Puku di pure pumure. Like this.
Okay.
There. Or you can say puku di pure. Or you can say puku di pumure. Like this. Okay? Yeah, tene practice in the Pedrola in the Pedrola. Tilorona.
Di pel re sare.
Yeah, Pedrola. Di pel re sare.
Yes.
How would you answer?
Di di pel re.
That's it. We know sa as the earth or soil. We learned this from the starting. If you remember. Deep hell re sare. Like this. Deep hell re. Hola, so pay awesome. Tene imogen la ya. Di try cheda.
Di bu re bu re.
No. Now you have to think here. Where is the prefix? How it should pronounce? Ruba? Yeah. Di pa shabkyu phu. Ruba. Di ao
Bash.
ba shabkyu bu. Phu bu. Phu bu. You can see the difference here. Ruba? Why it is sound change? Because of the prefix a. From pa to ba. Ruba? That's it. Phu bu. Di pure bu re. Like this. Ruba? Imogen la yanker loro na. Yeah. Again in the yanker.
Okay. I read it out. The da kigudi.
No, you can just read it like this. No
Okay.
problem.
So di gu re pu re.
How would you say side by side? Pu and
Bupu. Bupu.
yanker
Yeah.
again.
Bupu.
Di karere.
Di bu re pu re.
Di.
Pu.
That's
Pu. Yeah.
Di pu with the soft. Di bu with more bass. You can see it. How goes on? Bu.
Bagus on.
Bu. Right?
Pu.
Yeah, what's so? Di bure pure. Then we can say di bure. If you don't sound change, then the insect and boy will sound same. How goes on? So you have to know the sound change here. Okay? Di bure. Like this. Oh yeah. Yeah, what's so? Tujiche. Imogen la. Yeah, tene. Francoisla inda. Francoisla, dilorona.
Yeah. Hi. Okay. Di ra re. How do you say mare?
No. First read
No.
this.
Okay. Okay. Di ra re. Look re.
That's it. Now that's a question I'm asking for you.
Okay.
Ruba?
Okay.
Di ra re look re. Di ra re look re. How would you answer?
Di look re.
That's it. Boom. Hmm?
Okay.
Ruba? Di ra re look re. Oh, di look re. That's it. Oh yeah. 야구송송 투지치. 올라서. 되네 야 선음 들어가라인다. 딜로로나. 야.
Di amare. Di pumore.
Di amare pumore. You don't say di again. You don't have to. 하고서나.
Di amare pumore.
That's it. Di amare pumore. 야, 선음 들어갈라. Di amare pumore.
Di amamare. Di pumore.
That's it. Full answer. Di amare. Di pumore. Like this. rồi 빼하고 숭숭 두지치 올랐어. 올랐어. 야, 되네. 마리아나라인다. 마리아나라. 마리아나라. 디 박레브레 마르레.
Ji mare, ji paklepre.
디 가레레.
Ji paklepre.
디 마르레페.
Re, ji ne, mare, ji mare.
디 박레브레페.
Re, ji paklepre.
That's it. Yeah. Very good. Finish. 빼하고 숭숭 올랐어. 되네, 야, 빵빵라인다. 빵빵라. 다시 델레이크 빵빵라. 빵빵라. 디 벨레 루크레.
Di helle.
디 루크 마레페.
Mare. Di look male. Di helle.
디 벨레페.
Re. Di helle.
That's it. 빼하고 숭숭. 투지치. 빵빵라 투지치. 라스.
Isla.
투지치. 야, 되네. 디인다. 루윤라인다. 루윤라. 루윤라 디 가르레.
Di lomare.
디 벨레페.
Mare. Di pal mare.
디 로마레페.
Re. Di lomare.
That's it. 빼요. 올라서 빼요. 아니 야, 되네 이용라인다. 이용라. 이용라 대 가레레.
Thế lắm rể
빼요. 대롬 레페.
má rể thế lông má rể
That's it. 빼요. 대람 레페.
rể thế lắm rể
That's it. 대람 레. 빼하고 숭숭. 이용라 투지치. 라소. 야, 수시 루나라인다. 수시 루나라. 디 카레레.
Di migre.
디 mar repe.
Di, di marmare. Di migre.
That's it. 디 mik repe.
Re. Di migre.
That's it. Finish. Now, if you can use and, 당, we just learned this. Remember? If you can point to your eyes one by one, di 당, di 가레레. If I ask you like this, di 당, di 가레레.
Di tang. Di migre.
That's it. Di 당, di mikre. That's how you say it. 하고숭아, 양결숭아, I will ask it again. 디 당, 디 가레레.
Di migre.
No, you can say di 당, di.
Di tang, di
mikre.
migre. Oh, di tang, di migre.
That's it. Instead of saying di migre one by one, you can just say di 당, di mikre. Like this.
Like and.
That's it. Very good. And tujiche susi lunala. 야, 되네 다왈라인다. 다왈라. 다왈라 디 카리레.
Di mare.
디 마르포. Yes.
Marpo.
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 디 마르포 레페.
Re. Di marpo. Re.
디 마르포 레. 마르포 마레. 로아? 라스. 야, 고둑. 따인다. 다왈라. 디 탕, 디 카레레.
Di marpo. Re. Tene te mar. Re.
데 마르레. 네. 라스. 투지체.
Tenzin-la, I have a question.
Yes, please.
When we talk about question by gating option, as you call it, can we use not 2 but 3 options?
What do you mean?
I mean, if we took picture on screen, di sorepe, sarepe, sarrepe.
Tigre.
Is it possible?
Yes. And that's the full form. Di sorepe, sarepe. Nowadays, they speak very fast. Di sore, sare, like this.
No, I mean, can we use 3, not 2, but 3 option in one question?
Yes.
Di sore, sare, sarrepe.
Yes, but for that you have to use yangna. But we will learn that later. Di sore, sare, yangna, marre.
Какосон туджиче?
Lasso, davala, tujiche. Olas. Now let's go back and do a quick revision here, what we did today. Olas. Now we have question here. Di karere. Then we can ask, di lucrepe. Right? Now, if we can ask, is it look? Now we can also ask, isn't it? Di look marepe. Repe, marepe. Right? Like that. Okay? Oh yeah. Now we have question like di karire. Di lucre. Di lucrepe. Re. Di lucre. Di mar marepe. Mare. Di mar mare. Di lucre. Like this. Right? Okay? We should practice this before we come to the next lesson. How goes, ma? So, then same goes to all this. Di karire. Di go repe. Di go marepe. Di go re sore. All these questions we learned today. Right? Let's see. One last Katerina la in the. Yeah. Katerina la. Di karire.
Di gore.
Di go repe.
Di gore.
Re. Di go re.
Re.
Di so marepe.
Di somare.
Di so mare. Di go re.
Di gore.
Likewise, you can see how we communicate. We can imitate. How goes, ma? That's it. Imitating is very good way to learn language pronunciation also. How goes, ma? Sejang, it's very good. Nothing wrong with it. How goes, ma? You can imitate me. Di karere. Like this. Anything. How goes, ma? And that's it for today. Thank you very much. Please practice well. We see you in the next class.
주제.
Tutuche. Boom boom.
Thank
Shabba.
you.
Last
음.
J.
Thank you.
Lasso.
So that's it. Hola. Hola so. Hola so. Ni baba.